the question says draw
Yes, ma'am.
any line segment PQ. Take any point R on not on it. Through R, draw a perpendicular to PQ. Use ruler and compasses. Is the question clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Which question is it?
This is question number 2 of 14.4. Question number 2 of
Okay, ma'am.
14.4. Now, as I told you yesterday also, I need a ruler, I need a pencil, I need a compass with a pencil attached to it. And keep in mind, pencil tip and the metal tip should be parallel. It should be in straight line like this. Okay, let's start.
Yes, ma'am.
Can we start?
Yes, ma'am.
First is draw any line segment PQ. So I am drawing a line segment like this. Any line segment means measure is not given. And I will name it as, this I will name as P. And this endpoint I will name as Q. Now, take any point R not on it. I am just taking above. You can take below also. I'll show you. If you want, I can show you below also. Take any point R which is not on the line, which is not on the line segment, which is not the part of this PQ. Okay, we'll take it anywhere above or below. Now, take the compass and keep it the metal point of the, place the metal point of the compass on R. Place the metal point on R. Place the metal point on R and open it in such a way.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, this is the question of our book now.
Yes, question number 2. They have used set square, but I have made it to ruler and compasses. Okay. Now open it in such a way. Just see how I am holding it. I am holding it from here. Open it in such a way that 2 arcs to be made on P and Q like this. On PQ, we will make 2 arcs, one right side, one left side. 2 arcs I have made. I hope you all can see the arcs. Try not to repeat. I am just repeating just to make you understand. Draw only once. एक ही बार आर्क लगाना है आपको बेटा. Okay? Any problem in making these
Yes,
arcs? Any
No,
problem
ma'am.
in making these arcs?
No, ma'am.
Now,
No,
where
ma'am.
these arcs are meeting, like here. Can you see this point? I will name this as Y and this point as X. I've got 2 points, X and Y.
Ma'am, we have to do this in the maths copy.
Yes, in your register. You copy your register wherever you are doing your maths work. Okay. Now, from another, again, keep the middle point at Y. Keep the middle point at Y. Can you all see? Make it little wider. Make it little wider. थोड़ा सा और खोल लेंगे. Little wider. One arc this way from Y and one arc from X. Just keep placing of compass is important, children. Placing of compass is important. Just see how I have placed. Can you all see? मैम ने कैसे place किया है? Where I have kept this metal point. This metal point is kept at X, and I have made an arc here. With the same radius, I drew earlier I made this arc from here with the same radius, this arc. This arc was made here. Don't repeat. Don't make double lines. Okay. Now, can you see I got another point here? This
Yes,
point.
ma'am.
This point. Where these two arcs are meeting. Where these two arcs are meeting.
Yes, ma'am.
We can name this point any name. We can give any name. Sometimes name is given in the question. Here no name is given. I am choosing it as
Ma'am,
S.
M.
S. Any name you can give. Any name you can give. Any name you can give. Now we will join this R and S. Just see, children, how I have placed the ruler. Children, please check how I have placed the ruler for joining. Now I am going to join these 2 points.
Ma'am, join.
So RS is perpendicular to PQ. RS is perpendicular to PQ. Any query, children?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. I'm done.
All of you, I want the answer from everybody.
Ma'am, Garvit done. Ma'am, Garvit done.
The way I have shown, children, the way I have shown, is it clear? Is the way
Yes, ma'am.
everybody was able to understand how ma'am drew? I drew with you one by one,
Yes,
step by step.
Ma'am, can I show Garvit?
Wait, child. I'll see everybody's work. I'll see everybody's
Excuse me,
work.
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I show you an example of this arc?
Wait. Samarth is showing. Let me check. I'm replacing the spotlight. Yes, it's correct. Who else want to show?
Ma'am, Vihan.
Vihan, let me see. Where is Vihan? Put your videos on, then it's easy to find you. Vihan, where is Vihan?
Ma'am, I'm showing Garvit.
Just wait. Ananya is also showing. मैम देखते हैं सबका चेंज जिसका दिखता है मैम उसको दिखा देते हैं. Ananya, yes. Ananya is showing. Can you children? Can you see Ananya's work? I have spotlighted Ananya's work. Aradhya, I am showing now Aradhya's work. Now I will show Vihan's also. Don't worry. Aradhya's work is also correct. Now Vihan, show the notebook. Show your notebook, beta. Can you all see Vihan's work also? I am just changing the spotlight to show you. Children, are you all able to show? Good. Garvit, now I am replacing it with Garvit. Yes. Can you all see Garvit's work?
Yes, ma'am.
Hiral. Good. I am replacing the spotlights. Very good. Can you all see Hiral's work? Beautiful work. Very good. Neat. Clear. Dharvi is also showing, I think. Let me replace the spotlight. Dharvik, arcs are not very clear, beta. Arcs are looking double and they are looking as if they have been marked with hand. You don't have to use free hand. Draw it again, please. Okay, draw it again. Krishnendu is showing. Yes, can you see Dharvi? Dekho ye arcs dekho. They are looking like the arcs made with compass. Your arcs were looking as if you made it with hand. Okay. Most of you who showed me.
Correct.
Yes, it is correct. Yes, children. Any query?
No,
I'm coming to
ma'am.
gallery view. Or you want to see again? You want to see the construction again? I am showing you. You all can check. And I am coming to gallery view. Next thing is perpendicular bisector.